Atlas, which is what we're flying over now. Point Atlas is a construction site with many nooks and crannies, so you really got to look out for where people are coming from. Let's see how this plays out.
Alpha main to all stations. We are under attack at Point Illinois.
Alright, you want to make your way up to the building? Cover you. What's that, sorry? I'm coming over. Now what I'm about to do here may look like I'm just leaving him in the lurch, but what I'm doing is checking for threats, because where he got hit, there's definitely a chance, a really good chance, that I'd get hit as well. So I've got to secure the area before I tend to him.
All stations.
And as you can see here, as we walk around the corner, he's disappeared, which means he's probably respawned or he's desynced or something like that. So working on him was probably going to be a waste of time anyway. Now you might be thinking here that I'm shooting too low, but with the scope that I'm using, it's minimized at 300. So I need to aim down a little bit in close quarters so I can get the shot that I need. Unfortunately, there's dirt mounders in the way. This took me way too long to realise, but this is a really bad vantage point. So this is where I pop some smoke and I go to look for a better vantage point.
The man, you want me to wait?
What you're about to see here is a glitch in my quick select wheel. So I'm not sure if it was after the 1.6 update, but as soon as I select a grenade, a smoke grenade and throw it, it changes all the items in that wheel, and now I have to resort back to small arms fire.
Alpha main to all stations. We are under attack at points.
Got a sniper somewhere in here. Well, I'm still getting shot at. I can't see anybody on the ground, so that makes me think they've got to be on the rooftops. 2 for 1. Come on, poke your ugly head out again. After spotting these two on the rooftop, it was a perfect opportunity to get them as they were distracted by my teammates.
Alpha main to all stations. We are under attack at Point, Illinois.
After a quick scout around for any stragglers, I made my way up to the command tent with the teammates and we were able to secure the point. Thanks for watching.
Is there still here?
Let's go clear some buildings, eh?
Are you injured, left on?
Yeah, army.